Now, from this lecture onwards, we are going to install all our softwares inside the VirtualBox. So what we are going to do is we are going to first install Kali Linux. Okay, so we have downloaded Kali Linux successfully. So just navigate to the folder where you have downloaded Kali Linux. So as you can see that we have two files inside this particular folder. So when you double click on this particular file, which is first one, so it will open the VirtualBox for us. So as you can see that this is the place where we are going to install Kali Linux. So when you click on import, agree, it will start importing your Kali Linux into the VirtualBox. So it will take some time. It is a bit of long process. So just pause the video till the completion of this. Now the importing is being successful. So for opening Kali Linux, what you need to do is you need to simply navigate to Kali Linux and hit enter on start. So after hitting enter on start, it will start booting your Kali Linux. So it will take some time, because if you are opening it first time, it will going to take some time. Okay, so as you can see that Kali Linux is booting now. So here Kali Linux, just hit enter. And it is booting now, as you can see that, and the logo of Linux is being glowing. So after the completion of this glow, your Kali Linux will be ready to use. We will be seeing how to use Kali Linux and what are the basics Kali Linux command that we are going to use in this course or in the hacking journey. So we are going to discuss all of these things later on in this course. So as you can see that the booting process is going to be completed very soon. So in case of Kali Linux 2020 version, the username and the password will going to be root, and also here root, and hit enter. So after hitting enter, as you can see that now I am inside the Kali Linux. Okay. So this is how you can install Kali Linux, and you can use Kali Linux, and the username will be root and the password will also be root. Okay. So now this is the dashboard of the Kali Linux. So we are going to see later what is Kali Linux and how we can work with Kali Linux. So this video is basically for installing Kali Linux. So now let's see in the next lecture how we can install another machine into our VirtualBox. So thank you for watching this lecture.